across Burj Khalifa. That's where we stayed today. My room is literally like I can see Burj Khalifa. So yeah, good morning. We're here for a shoot, so we stayed here and we're shooting at this location. Let me show you guys. That's Burj Khalifa right there. So, you know, blessings on blessings. Let me quickly show you guys my outfit today. Super casual and simple. This is what I'm wearing. We're staying really close to Burj Khalifa, so I've been coming for a run here on my days off. So I'm going to show you guys the view. It is so stunning. So it's right by Burj Khalifa, and right behind me, where is it? Oh, right there is Burj Khalifa. So anyways, it's super hot here and I'm just having the best one ever. Checked into our new place. I'm here for a while, so I'm actually unpacking and putting everything nicely. So yeah, let me show you guys my room. Turn the music off. I'm in the process of unpacking everything and actually putting it nicely. So I've unpacked all of that suitcase. Well, this all needs to get hung up, but this is my room, and basically the Dubai Mall is right there. So we have our day off today, and I'm just getting some groceries from across the street. We're literally staying by the Dubai Mall, so everything is super close. Basically, that's where I'm going. Get the groceries so we can make some lunch at home, because on the days that we have shoots we eat so unhealthy, so I'm trying to make sure that we eat healthy at least on our days off. We're headed out for lunch now, and I just got ready, did the laundry, worked out, went for a run because today's our day off, and now we're gonna go to this Indian restaurant for lunch, and that is the plan. And then we have a shoot tomorrow, and yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit. Dressed super casual today, just a white top, jeans, shoes, and a hat because it's hella hot here. So Akash, is this not out? This song? मेरा सुर नहीं लग रहा है। मेरा सुर नहीं लग रहा, मैं सुर वाली दवाई पाला। पूछा तो नहीं लपड़ गया। सुर मेरे पूछा तो नहीं चल गया। सुर में काला का लगना भाई ओए। प्रीत। तू केड़ा फिल्टर लाया? There's no filter. This is my camera. मेरे का तो गंदा जिहा लगदा ਵਿੱਚ। That's how what you look like. Exposure नहीं सही मेरे ते। So the boys are sleeping and I have nothing to do, and I googled there's a salon just downstairs, so I'm gonna go get my nails done because they need help. I got a new mask and it changes color, and I haven't slept in a while. We're at a shoot. Akash? Akash? How's the shoot going? Oh, how tired are you?
Shoot is going great. ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ 2 ਦਿਨ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਸ਼ੂਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਬੈਂਡ ਬਦਲੀ ਹੈ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਕੀ ਬਣ।
So we're back in the desert today for the shoot. It is a very hot day, and we're in this campsite. Alright, officially dressed up as a sheikh. Okay, I shouldn't say that. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble for that. But we're shooting in the desert today. So we dressed for the occasion. Peeps, another beautiful day in Dubai in the desert. Got Sam here. He wants to do a video for what's in my bag.
बैग मेरा तू किदा कर लूं व्हाट्सएप में
मैं तुसी करना
इतना थोड़ा करना पूरी रिंग रूंग लाइट ला के सारा
Sam wants to do a what's in my bag video for YouTube.
करांगे के दिन चल बंद करी प्रीत मेरा मुंह तू काला कर देनी आ तो तू चिट्टा कर लेनी है
मैं कुछ नहीं कीता. What can I say? If you are ugly then I can't do anything about it.
ਫੁਕਰੀ ਨੇ ਪੰਜ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਐਨਕਾਂ ਬਦਲੀਆਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਬੂਥੇ ਤੇ ਚਾਪਟੇ ਜੇ ਤੇ ਸੈੱਟ ਆਈ ਮਾੜੀ ਜੀ ਫਿਰ ਐ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਵੀ ਸਾਲਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸੈੱਟ ਜਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਵਾ ਆ ਫੇਕ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਆਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਚਾਰ ਹੀ ਟੇਕ ਲੈ 20 ਮਿੰਟ ਆ ਰੌਨੀ ਦੇ ਢੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਣ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਇਹ ਉਹਨੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਸੱਚੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਪਰੇ ਹੋ ਜਾ ਯਾਰ
ਸੱਚੀ ਦੇ look
ਲੁੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨਾ ਲੁੱਕ
I was like this okay ਦੱਸੋ
ਆਓ ਤੂੰ ਫੇਰ ਮੋਟਰ ਨਾਲ ਢੋਲ
ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਈ
ਯਾਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਛੱਡੋ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਵਿਹਲੀ ਆ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇਖਿਓ
Okay guys, so Sam thinks I eat too much. Sam, so what did someone say at production?
Eat
नहीं की क्या सी किसी ने production पे दसो
राह हुण ਉਹ ਖਤਰਨਾਕ ਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਧੌਣ ਹਿੱਲ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਜਾਣਾ
नहीं दसो बोलना
ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸੁੱਖ ਫੇਰ ਦਾ
ਉਹੀ ਐਕਸੈਂਟ ਚ ਕਹੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਕਸੈਂਟ ਸੁਣ ਗਿਆ
ਦੱਸਦਾ ਨਾ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ
so they went back to the salon. I mean
very good
production's gone up.
Yeah, bro.
So now our snacks are action. I said production value's gone up. Look at how the snacks are being served. So yesterday I told Aksa that I love chocolate milk and she brought me chocolate milk. She works in production here in Dubai and she's been so helpful. I think we have a love-hate relationship with your production.
She's so sweet and lovely. I love to work with her.
Yeah, we'll definitely work together again soon. Next time we come, or if you come to Canada.
For sure, inshallah.
Yeah. So production came through today for us. Bilal. Yes. Is this happening? You get 10 out of 10 today. Don't mess it up for the rest of the day. So much food.
ਗੱਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ ਪੂਰੀ ਅੱਜ ਬਿਲਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ
So we are shooting in the desert today. Shabbo aaj a vlog banaiye. This is Shabbo. Well, her real name's Isba, but Shabbo is her name. She's also in production.
This is
And
Nabila.
Nabila.
Hi.
Yeah, party ho rahi hai. Awesome girls.
Thank you.
It's been so nice. Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Nabila. So today we're visiting these shops in Dubai. I feel like I'm in India right now. Feels like India here.